in Saigon, I guess otherwise known as Ho Chi Minh City, here in Vietnam. And what I want to do is, I love food, you love food, and just past Betel Market, which is right around the corner from here, very close to my Airbnb here in District 1, is a food market, an outdoor food market, and it's called Ben Nghe. I'm probably pronouncing this second word wrong. N-G-H-E, I believe is how it's spelled. And haven't been, so join me on this foodie adventure. Look at this, it's already out here. Smells great. The smoke coming off that grill with the charred meat, it smells amazing. All right, let's go find this place. It's pretty close. It said it was a 16-minute walk from my Airbnb, and I've already walked probably about 8 of that, so. And there you can see, it's just another 7 minutes from here. What I like here is all of these trees that line these blocks here, that you can see, they do a really good job of keeping things cool. Wow, that's a pretty cool place right there. I guess that's some kind of a restaurant bar, not sure. Although there is laundry hanging up there, so more than likely somebody lives upstairs there. Wow, this is a lovely little park setting here. Look at that tree. It's magnificent. It almost looks prehistoric, doesn't it? What's up, buddy? Oh, here we got one of these guys. He's gonna want to clean my shoes.
Hi.
How are you, brother?
What's up?
Good, good. Nice to see you. Yeah, I think I'm good. They're pretty new. They're still pretty clean, but
Okay,
I appreciate what you do for us.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you as well. Look at this thing. Wow, I'm almost back at Angkor Wat, right? Remember those trees there? Now there's a statue here. I think this is the young lady that is a hero. I think this is the same young lady that V was telling me about during the war. But I don't know. I'm not sure because I can't read that. And there's a statue dedicated to her. Be there in 2 minutes. Palais de Justice. That's French. That means Justice Palace. It's possibly their courthouse. I mean, look at the beautiful architecture here of these buildings. This must be it. It's not exactly what I pictured, but it's cool. A lot of different eateries all in one spot. Let's go check something out. I'm hungry. Oh man, look at that. Roasted duck breast noodles.
This here.
That one?
Yeah, roasted with dumpling.
Why is that the best one?
Because we have roast duck and with dumpling is popular.
Okay. Oh man, grilled pork rib. Yes, I do. Thank you. It's like a pork chop. Fantastic. That's not bad. Hello. What you got? Chicken?
We have roast chicken, pork belly, duck breast.
What's your specialty?
Basically, we eat roast chicken with rice.
What is this right here?
Duck breast used with the rice.
It's duck?
Yeah, duck breast.
What part? Oh, the wing?
Breast.
Duck? Oh, breast.
Yeah.
Breast. Ah, okay. Fried
Spring
pork,
roll.
spring rolls, crab.
It's sausage.
Oh, look at this. Beefaroni. What's that guy's name again? Chef Boyardee? Oh, here's the seafood. Don't worry, you're not on the menu. I think you're safe, for now anyway. a roasted pork plate. They got banh mi sandwiches here. She's making one right now. How's banh mi here? Good banh mi. Oh yeah? Dress it up good. What is it? Mushroom on a banh mi. Wow. Man. And you can see everybody here just chilling out and enjoying it. I guess maybe. All right. What am I gonna get? Wait, there's more down here. Oh, dim sum. Oh wow! Look at that. Man, that's huge. That's a meal in itself. Oh, we got some veggies here. I actually had one of those at the market. Now look at these things. These look great. Grilled beef with la la. Okay, hello. What is this wrapped in? It's like a leaf? Like a leaf? Seaweed? La lot. It's like a vegetable. Okay. Okay. Looks very good. Okay. Thank you. Now they got beer here. They have an assortment of various concoctions. Oh, he's mixing it up. He's mixing it up, ladies and gentlemen. Looks good. Looks good. I don't know if this is like a kebab type of deal. So this is a North Indian restaurant they have in here as well. Look at that. Oysters? Save me the pearls. Save me the pearls. Oh, this is pho, by the way. It's like a noodle soup meal type of deal. You guys might know it as pho, but it's actually pronounced pho. My pronunciation, pho. Pho. It's good. See? I love the wraps. I'm gonna try this one. Break out the fundage.
And you want some wings, sir?
A drink? I guess I could do one beer. Yeah, that one, the lager.
155.
So this place is pretty cool. It's a nice vibe here and it's relaxing. I just think it's a bit of a misnomer to call it street food because it's really more of, a bunch of restaurants that offer, smaller type fare that you could eat as if it was street food. Certainly these are restaurants that are lined along little avenues. But as far as street food atmosphere and experience, I would more recommend going to the one that is just behind the flower market. That's more of an authentic Vietnam street food experience. Oh, look at this. They have waffles. They make in the shape of crocs. And those other symbols. Escargot. Wow. What is it, dessert?
Coconut water.
Wow, the colors are incredible. Look at that. Interesting. What is it? Huh? Macaroni. Oh, mango seed. Oh, and you put it in a drink. It goes in a drink.
Yes.
Wow. Very interesting. Beautiful. Look at this stuff, guys. I love that. It's the soda washing machine.
Kêu cho.
Rồi lấy đó đúng không?
Black eggs? Wow, that's beautiful. What is that, cheesy bread? Oh, man. You'll also find it much more economical there than here. Oh, she brought it over to me. You brought it to me. So kind of you. Thank you so much. Let's dig into this. It's one thin slice of duck on there, but very good. The duck is tender, savory. To be honest with you, it's got a strong smokiness about it that is sort of reminiscent of a Thanksgiving Day ham. Want to hear a great sound? I knew that you would. Cheers! Onward and upward. Satisfying, savory foods. You always think lobster, a good juicy steak, rack of lamb. Don't forget about duck though. Whack, whack. Alright, I'm gonna try one more thing while we're here. And it's not gonna be that. I'm thinking the beef wrapped in that la la looked like it's possibly good value here. So, hello. I want to try one of your grilled beef with la la. Can you make it hot for me? Hot. One. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Come on. Wow, look how beautiful she made it look. Alright, I can just sit here and eat it. And they're putting the covers down here, the screen for the rain. I told you guys it was just a matter of time. It's that time. What I would compare this to it's kind of like their version of a Greek dolma. You know, dolmas, the stuffed grape leaves that the Greeks have? It's very similar to that in terms of its culinary makeup. The sauce is definitely different. It's raining cats and dogs now. Don't step in a poodle. You can hear that rain hitting that rooftop right now. The sound of rain hitting a hot tin roof.